This bidet saved my marriage. I can't believe I almost let toilet paper ruin my entire life. What can I say about the bidet toilet seat attachment that hasn't been said about the wheel, the iPhone, or the internet? It's one of the greatest inventions of all time. My husband and I would argue constantly over who used more than one piece of toilet paper. You know the old, I spent the entire day raising our kids. Maybe you could pitch in a little and get some more toilet paper. And of course, you think I have the energy to go all the way to the store for more toilet paper? These are things that can destroy an entire relationship. It got to the point where even our children could sense the tension. When I heard our 8-year-old daughter in the kitchen reenacting our daily toilet paper fight with her mouse doll, I knew I had to make a change. That's when I discovered the bidet toilet seat attachment. I ran fast like Forrest to save my marriage. Life is like a box of bidets. You never know what you're gonna get. I'm coming, Jenny. I even threw away my toilet paper. Stupid is as stupid does, but I knew I wasn't stupid when I ordered this. I installed that baby right away. My marriage was on the line. It has to work. Good news, since getting this bidet, our marriage has never been healthier. And we have even incorporated it into our date night. Thanks, bidet.